Hello friends, welcome to Levels Planning System 2D and 3D Design Hub. Today in this video, we are going to see the 2D and 3D design of 37 feet by 36 house. This is the floor plan of the house. Let's see the detailed ground floor planning. This is the ground floor plan of the house. 12 feet by 16 feet 6 inches car porch area. 7 feet 1 inches by 15 feet 9 inches sit out area. 15 feet by 15 feet living area. Towards living area will move to dining, that is 13 feet by 9 feet 9 inches. Fourteen feet 4 inches by 8 feet 3 inches kitchen area. Storeroom area is around 6 feet 4 inches by 5 feet. Utility. Master bedroom 15 feet by 11 feet. Master bedroom attached bathroom area 5 feet by 6 feet. Guest bedroom area 13 feet by 11 feet. Attached bathroom area 3 feet 9 feet 3 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. Staircase area. Now let's see first floor plan. First floor living area 22 feet by 9 feet 9 inches. Bedroom size is around 15 feet by 11 feet. Attached bathroom size is around 5 feet by 5 feet. Kids bedroom size 13 feet by 11 feet. Attached bathroom size 9 feet 3 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. Staircase area. Open terrace area. Now let's see exterior 3D elevation.